For future billionaires, only 20 wealth-building side hustles. Welcome, future billionaires. You clicked on this video for one reason, to make more money. I get it. We all want to be financially secure, and some of us, well, we want to be swimming in cash like Scrooge McDuck. Today, we're diving into 20 side hustles that can put you on that path to financial freedom. That's right, 20 different ways to potentially make it rain. Are you ready? Let's get started. Freelance writing words =sign cash. Have a way with words? Turn that passion into profit by writing for websites, blogs, and more. Graphic design pixel pushing for profit. Design wizards, this one's for you. Turn your creative skills into cold hard cash with freelance design gigs. Social media management, get paid to scroll. Addicted to social media? Help businesses crush it online and get paid for your expertise. Chapter 4. Online tutoring. Knowledge is power and money. Got brains? Share your knowledge with the world and earn some serious cash through online tutoring. Chapter 5. Dropshipping, selling stuff without the stuff. Start an online store without any inventory? Dropshipping makes it possible. Chapter 6. Affiliate marketing. Recommend and earn. Love a product? Share it with the world and earn a commission on every sale. Chapter 7. Blogging. Share your passion, build your empire. Blogging isn't dead. Find your niche, grow your audience, and monetize your passion. Chapter 8. Virtual assistant. Be the boss from your couch. Organized and efficient. Become a virtual assistant and help entrepreneurs conquer their to-do lists. Chapter 9. Stock photography. Let your photos make you money. Snap some stunning photos, sell them online and earn passive income while you sleep. Create awesome designs and sell them on t-shirts, mugs, and more without ever touching inventory. Love to talk? Start a podcast, share your thoughts, and attract sponsors to fund your passion. Create engaging videos, build a loyal following, and watch the ad revenue and sponsorships roll in. Chapter 13. Real estate investing. Build wealth brick by brick. Invest in real estate and watch your money grow. From rentals to crowdfunding, the options are endless. Chapter 14. Ebook publishing, write your way to riches. Got a story to tell? Self-publish your book on Amazon and other platforms to reach a global audience. Chapter 15. Online courses, teach your skills, change lives, and bank accounts. Share your expertise with the world by creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy. Chapter 16. App development, code your way to millions. Tech savvy? Develop the next killer app and watch the downloads and profits soar. Chapter 17. Handmade crafts. Turn your passion into profits. Crafty. Sell your handmade creations on Etsy and other platforms to a global market of eager buyers. Passionate about fitness? Help others achieve their goals and get paid for your expertise. Fluent in multiple languages? Translate documents, websites, and more for a lucrative side hustle. Got a car? Rent it out on Turo when you're not using it and earn passive income from your ride. There you have it, future billionaires. 20 side hustles that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Remember, it all starts with taking that first step. Which one will you choose? What are you waiting for? Let me know in the comments below which side hustle you're most excited to start. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more epic videos like this one. Until next time, keep hustling, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.